Welcome to the video. My name is Simon Chambers. I'm the Managing Director and co-founder of New Leaf Technology Solutions, and I'm going to be showing you our Enable GDPR portal. Without further ado, let's log in. Come to the home page. What you see in here is an infographic describing the process that underpins our software. Very briefly, this is a three-step process, starting with initiate, then identify, then implement. Going through these one at a time. So the first thing you want to do in an organisation is initiate the general awareness and knowledge across your organisation. Okay, and this is typically done for a set of training modules. Once you've done that, you want to identify where your company is with regards to GDPR readiness, and this is typically done for a set of assessment modules, which culminate in a report which will tell you, identify the gaps in your organisation and also what steps you need to take. Once you know what steps you need to take, then you need to implement these steps, and that's where the last stage comes in, and you do this for a set of document templates, checklists and guidelines. Okay. The other thing to say on this homepage is down the bottom, we get a quick snapshot, if you're an admin user, of where your staff are with regards to their training and their score, etc. Okay, let's have a look at training. So in here, what we can see is a number of different modules, okay? And at the end of that, we can take, each of the staff would take a test. The best score is kept. So let me just show you one of these as a quick example. How is it implemented, GDPR? Start the training module. Has some various text and graphics on the key roles, how they work together, and then let intersperse it with various questions just to see that you're retaining that knowledge. That's just an example. Okay, so that's training. Then we go to assessment. As I mentioned, this would generally be done by a single person, not all your staff, someone that knows the business a lot more and has the most expertise in GDPR. Okay. Because as you can see, just from the names of the assessments, this is a bit more involved and involves a lot more knowledge. We also understand that, which is why these green icons are actually prerequisites. If you click on these, what will happen is you get a prerequisite report which tells you two things. It tells you recommended reading in order to take this assessment and also recommended actions. So for example, about your business, one of the recommended actions we propose is that you conduct a high-level information audit, which just talks at high level about what personal data is that flows in and out of your organisation, say in HR or finance, etc. Okay. At the end of all this, once all these are completed, you would then submit the assessment, and you would get a report back, as I mentioned earlier, detailing what actions you need to take. Okay. So let's just choose one, consent, a more popular one that most people understand. Let's retake that module. And you can see here, I'm being asked more specific questions around consent. Okay. So that's assessment. So what we've done is we've trained all our staff, okay, with the different e-learning modules. Someone has done an assessment and we found out from the report where we are in GDPR and what we need to do. The last step is to actually do it, okay? And this is where a number of templates come in, document templates, checklists, and guidelines come in, okay? So that's the three main functionalities. What I'll just draw you to now is the kind of more standard stuff you'd expect from a portal. We go to my profile. You can do three main things here. You can change your details, you can manage your team. So what you see in here, I can remove people, I can add new team members, I can assign different licenses for training or assessments, okay. Kind of standard type of stuff. And then what I can do here on this tab, I can manage my licenses. So I can purchase new ones, of the different types. Okay. Okay, that is the portal. So let me just summarize for you. Okay. What does this do, this portal? Well, It provides general staff awareness across your organisation. It allows you to do a company assessment so you can see where you are and what you need to do. It also enables you to do something about that with the ready-made document templates. It's easily accessible. I've been showing you this on the desktop, but it also works equally well on the mobile. It's cost efficient. Our prices are from $49 to $499 at this time. And also included in all this price is free updates for 12 months. Look, GDPR is going to change and evolve over the next 12 months, and so we will endeavour to keep up our training, assessment and documents to that effect. Okay, my name is Simon Chambers. Thank you very much for listening.